Hey y'all, how's it going? Let me know in the comments below. So I decided to make a outdoor shower. So I got this nice copper shower head, and I'm using PEX fittings to run all the lines. So see, we have this recess. So we have the hot and cold, and these are converted to garden hose threads, so that I can use this tool that I bought to blow it out in the wintertime. So at the underground, I have this ball valve with a weep hole. So I can blow air through here with my compressor and clear out all the water before the winter. And I figure I probably won't be showering too much in the winter anyway. So, this cat. Alright, so let me show you all the projects, all these plumbing projects I've been doing for the last month. I've just been digging and digging and digging. So I'm installing 3 of these hydrants. So I have a pulse hole beat very far down into the ground. And so when you close this handle, it drains out the bottom into that gravel bucket. This is very deep hole. I mean, you can see the top of that bucket. So that's knee high for me. So I have this point for the hot and cold for the shower, and this hole is where the post is gonna go, and I have it cleared out to here. Let me show you these. That's the valve I was talking about with the weep hole and screw. And for this morning, I'm just gonna use a pallet to stand on. Hopefully I can build the whole platform this weekend. But here's how I have it cut out for my my hot and cold. So this is our hot water, and we have all kinds of lines ran from the water heater and under the house. We've got Ethernet, and this is going for our RV is going to be in this area. So all the hookups for that. Here's my Ethernet cable running under here, and we're gonna have a hot and cold right here. So this is a potable water hose, and I think I'm actually gonna put the 2 more hydrants over there so we don't interfere with the electric being ran to be put there. So yep, the hole's all filled in since it rained, but I have been busy. There's our septic. So we got a cool little thing from the laundry room going from there. So anyway, that's it, guys. Hope you all have a good Labor Day weekend. Take care.